This is the CMA wireless particulate matter sensor. It is used in middle school, higher education, chemistry, biology, science, and environmental science. I will show you a simple experiment using the particulate matter sensor. I have a candle, I will blow it out, and I will trap the air coming from the candle inside this beaker, and then place it on top of the particulate matter sensor. When we connect the codes, we see the Kernel's values for the particulate matter of 2.5 and 10 microns. And now we measure the amount of particulate matter that is trapped underneath the beaker and is measured by the sensor. The wireless particulate matter sensor allows you to measure simple pollution values. Extend your sensor set with this pollution finding sensor. This sensor should be part of your environmental science sensor set, as pollution is something that students want to explore. Join 21st century computer measuring with this modern sensor.